This video explains the basic operation and functions of the RS04 mini skid steer loader. Let's take a look. First, turn on the main power switch, start the machine with the key, and push the accelerator to start. Push the left operating handle forward to move the left wheel forward. Pull it backward to move the left wheel backward. Push the right operating handle forward to move the right wheel forward. Pull it backward to move the right wheel backward. Push both handles forward simultaneously to move the machine forward. Pull them backward simultaneously to move the machine backward. Move the left handle outward to raise the boom. Move it inward to lower the boom. Moving the right handle inward tilts the bucket upward. Moving it outward tilts the bucket downward. The two center handles control the attachments connected to the oil hoses.